This video will take you through the features of loaded WordPress and how you can create new content for your website, share it with all of your social networks, gather all that input back to your site, and realize the full advantage of social interaction. The demo site we're using here is publicly available. It's the demo that anyone can review and shows you all the features that loaded WordPress has to offer. In this video, we'll be focusing specifically on the social push and content creation and what it can do for you. From the dashboard, I've gone to a new post, and what I will illustrate is how to create a new post on your website and easily share it with Twitter and Facebook and on your site and pull all of the contents and information back together and get user-generated content and social interaction all automated from your site. This is what loaded WordPress does for you. Here I am on the Add New Post page, and as you can see, I've created a subject about this post and the content that I'm planning to share. And to take you on a quick review of some of the built-in SEO tools and other features of loaded WordPress, there's automatic keyword statistics generator that tells you about your site's content and how it's viewed by search engines, as well as your keyword density and other information. If you're a marketer, this is very useful information for optimizing your SEO initiatives. Or if you're not, it helps you see generally how your site and content appear to search engines. There's your standard WordPress tools for excerpts and other information that you can use or not use. You certainly don't need to. There's a very advanced system, and it's a system that can do a lot or handles it all for you, depending on how advanced you want to be. Over here is the social push, where you have the option to push your post to your Twitter account and other social networks, and you can also push it to Facebook. Here I've chosen to push it to my Facebook profile and to my page that I've got set up for this demo. Here you have other options you can choose, and what I'll do is publish this post to make it live on the site. Once it's published, it's visible on the site as well as across all of the social channels that you selected. For example, go back to our demo. This is the front end site of our demo. Here's the post I just made telling you how that LoadedPress can push and pull content. I can go into that post page now, see the details, automatically created related posts, and all the other features that you can choose to use or not on your loaded WordPress site. If you'd like to see the Twitter account now, this is the Twitter account set up for this test. And here you can see I've just shared this with my Twitter audience with the short URL back to the page and post on my site. In addition, on my Facebook fan page that we have, also linked to this test account, this post was automatically synced and pushed out and shared with the Facebook audience of this fan page. In addition, because I selected it, here's my main profile page of the test account, and you can see here that we posted a new post, shared with the Facebook audience. Now you can selectively push and pull anything you like and share whichever content you want to share with your audience, and in addition to all of your content using the RSS feed options that are out there. Now, to illustrate some of the other advantages of the social pull feature of this system, I'm going to take another post that I've already made. Here's another post that we have for a social content demo that I did just a few moments ago. And what I'm going to show you here is the power of sharing that. Now here is that post on Twitter just before the one for a LoadedPress social demo, and with the option of people can reply to it. So your Twitter audience can retweet and reply that. As well as on Facebook, you see this other post here. The post I made just before is just exactly the same of the one on the Twitter account. And here you can see a comment. I just saw this on Facebook. So somebody commented on that on your Facebook fan page. As well as on the profile. Come here and you see the same one that had been shared, and here, a comment. Hey, I see this on your Facebook profile. All that comments are pulled back together into your comment stream on your site. So, from Twitter, the one I just showed you, pulled right in as a user comment, right under your blog post or your website page. Here, the one comment blog is the comments feature that's built in where anyone can comment on the post on your site. Here's the one via Facebook, where a Facebook user replied. The value of this is it pulls out all of your user interactions into a single place and gives you the tools to pull out user-generated content and build and grow your audience using the loaded WordPress tools. For more details on other information you can get, view the other videos such as the social analytics feature for tracking how well your audience is following your content, how interactive they are with it, and all the other things you can learn from the Loaded WordPress toolkit. If you're interested in your own demo, go to loadedpress.com and give it a try yourself.